In today's video, we are going to make Bangalore's heirloom knife from Apex Legends. This is a foam build complete with LED lights for special effects. It looked even better in the dark. So without further delay, let's jump right in. First, I start with cutting out the design from template file. You can grab your free file from my Patreon. The link is given below. Take your time to cutting out all the details.
So you wanna be my enemy? You should've known I'd never kiss the rain. Ice runs in my veins. Won't play it safe. I don't belong with your nobility. Who died and made you?
I used a piece of paper tape to stick them together.
You think that I'm insane? It's your mistake. Kingdoms rise and fall. I've come to take it all. I'll take it. I've come to take it. Kingdoms rise and fall.
Then I traced the both sides of the design on a 5mm foam board. To get both sides, just flip the design one side to another. I cut out the design and traced them on a same foam board, just like I did with the whole knife.
I'm coming for the throne. I'm coming for the throne. Changed everything. The way I walk, the way I breathe. Will my fate shift into the night? But here I am, same old thing. Sinking deep, no ecstasy. Reality haunts the living night. If I saw another day, only to scream into the night. Nothing ever tries to change, even if I want to realize. 'Cause I've been sitting here, same old ways, taking off without the same mistakes.
Save these cutout designs, we will need them later. These cutouts will help to add more small details to the knife. So here I have cut out all the design from the foam board. While I was test fitting all parts together, then I realized that the knife itself became too big and its thickness is not ideal for a knife. So I decided to trace them on a 2 mm thick craft foam.
change anything if I don't know how to breathe. Couldn't that push the
Do the same tracing process as we did on a foam board. Here I have cut out the design from craft foam and now we can glue them all together. Now this thickness is sufficient. Don't glue the center part of the knife yet.
only to scream into the night. Nothing ever tries to change, even if I want to realign. 'Cause I've been sitting here, same old ways, taking off without the same mistake. Can I leave it all behind?
I did made 4 handle grips and ended up using only 2.
When the dark is growing and the light is closing in, tell me where you're going.
After gluing all the part together, we will add a knife sharpener to the knife. Just trace it inside the handle and cut out the shape.
One look, the heat is rising, and I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all.